we've got something special for you.
What is it, Alex?
A new colourway of the known formerly as the XROS from Vaporesso.
Oh, this reminds me of the great days of Prince and then P. Diddy as well, formerly known as
Puff
Daddy. Here we have the XROS or the XROS.
I've got a little sort of thing to say.
Okay, please. Public service announcement from Alex.
Even though I don't like this, but I've got to say it.
Okay, please.
Vaporesso have informed us with from what I was described as passive-aggressive behaviour.
They
were nice about it, but there was a tinge of we'll smash you up if you carry on.
Possibly.
This here does not say XROS.
No.
It doesn't say XROS.
No.
It's meant to say Cross.
It's Cross. Everyone's been saying it wrong.
Right.
It's a UK-wide. It's an epidemic level of mistake in identity.
I don't want to tell Vaporesso how to suck eggs at all.
Yeah. Okay.
But Cross is spelled CROSS, not XROS.
What about motocross? They do that whole.
Yeah, but it's just the cross. They don't have Ross after it. Or Ros.
Look.
So, look, I get it.
What they've done is gone, look, guys, we love you. I'm assuming they missed that bit, but guys, FV Vape Show.
We like you covering our stuff.
Yeah.
But
this XROS stuff, this XROS stuff, it's not going to fly anymore.
See,
it's called the Cross. And we know we've had 5 colorways already, but people love the Cross too. So we've come up with a new colorway for the Mini and the normal Cross too. So how about we send them to you and maybe you can say it right this time.
Yeah. And we will. We'll call it the Cross. I just don't want people to start, assuming that words that begin with X start like cross. Because people called like Xavier Cross-Avier.
Alex.
Cravier. That's what they're going to be called, Cravier. And I like Vaporesso. I like you guys a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fair.
And on camera, I will call it the Cross.
Well,
okay?
It's good of you.
Cross the limits. I mean, that's made it even more obvious. I don't know if that tagline... I mean, I could have given you a better tagline than that, but you didn't want to pay for it.
No.
But it says cross the limits. That now helps confirm that XROS is actually Cross.
What I'd like you to do, Alex, is just... I remind
Look
the
how
audience...
lovely those colourways are.
They're beautiful.
And really nice, aren't they?
I remind our audience about these devices and go through some of the text back. If you could just twirl them on camera and make them look beautiful, okay?
Right.
That's it. Those fingers. It's looking good, Alex. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please be seated while we go across some of the specs. This is the Cross 2 and the Cross 2 Mini, and it's a brand new colorway. Now, if you haven't come across the Cross before, you'll be pleased to know it's available in 5 different colorways, and it goes from 11 watts to 16 watts with its 1,000 milliamp hour battery. And there's an LED indicator. Now, that's always good because on one of these simple auto-fired devices, you want to know what your battery's doing. It goes green when it's high, blue for medium, and red when the battery is low. It's USB-C chargeable, and the pod is disposable.
Excellent.
I think did I do the adjustable airflow? I think I said about adjustable. I don't know. Anyway, there's adjustable airflow. I'm trying to think. Oh, top fill. Did I say about top fill?
Probably.
It's got a little bung push through. I like that. Now, because I'm bigger than you, I'm going to have the OG. You're going to have the Mini because you're smaller. Not as small as AJ, but smaller.
Yeah, but that's because you're 8'11",
right,
and 53 stone.
Do you know what? At the expo, I bumped into a chap and he goes, "Oh, you're one of those sneaky tall guys." He
didn't think you looked tall on camera.
Didn't give it away on camera.
I mean, we are sat down.
Yeah. Yeah. And
I'm actually,
slouch
if
on
you
the
think
number as
Pete's
well.
short, Pete's about 6'3.5", 6'4",
Yeah.
and I'm 6 foot, just over 6 foot. AJ is 5'3".
Yeah.
We sit him on a cushion when he's in here.
With size 12 feet. Hairy feet.
Yeah, like Hobbit's feet.
Like a hobbit. In fact, he's...
Little hobbit?
He is kind of hobbit.
I like Vaporesso's pod systems, whether they're called the XROS or the Cross. I like
Schoolboy
them,
error.
and it feels nice. You didn't take the thing off the
I didn't
bottom.
take the tape
I did
off.
that as
I'm
well.
thinking,
But
what have I done here?
I did that as well, but I covered it really well, whereas you've just admitted it straight away.
Yeah, I just
Stop
owned
sniffing
that.
in the camera.
Look, I've still got a cold.
Look away when you're going to sniff.
It's good. Classic track.
Yeah.
So the beauty of the Cross 2 is I can use the fire button if I want.
Yeah.
Which is great. I can turn it on, turn it off, and I can use it to vape with the fire button. Or I can go, maybe I don't want to be pressing buttons. I just want to auto fire. I can do that as well.
Yeah, an automatic trigger. The benefit of the Vaporesso Cross Mini is the fact that I don't get to do anything. All I do, fill the pod, stick it in there. You've got the automatic trigger. You've got already specified airflow. There is no airflow control. And just to double check, I've said that without... Yeah, no, there isn't.
This is basically like a public service announcement. It's a new colourway, which is great. And we do like what they're doing with this kind of...
Coils or is flavourful.
Gradual fade. That's nice. I like that. But really, we're here to go, people
called the Cross.
People of the UK, influencers across Instagram land. Please, when covering Vaporesso, say Cross. It's the Cross 2.
Yeah.
And the Cross 2 Mini.
I know it's confusing. I know it's confusing out there because it starts with an X. It's the same sort of confusion as when the Bourne Legacy came out, the film, and it didn't have Matt Damon as Jason Bourne.
Yeah.
It had Jeremy Renner as Aaron Cross. Now, it's called the Bourne Legacy.
Yeah.
But Jason Bourne, other than like a picture, there's no Jason Bourne in it.
Infuriating.
It's Jeremy Renner, who I find a better on-screen presence.
Well, some light relief.
Yeah, but I get it. I get it, Vaporesso. You want us to call your products right. It's like the Juice Sours gate all over again.
Yeah.
Before, I knew it was Juice Sauce. Juice Sauce, sorry.
Yeah.
But it said Sours. So I called it Juice Sours in every video.
Now we're there again.
And when I met the managing director, he got a little bit grumpy, pretending he was like in a jokey way, but clearly wasn't in a jokey way. Do you think he could have battled me?
No, you'd have body slammed him.
That was when I was lifting weights still as well. I don't do that anymore.
chance.
I just do Pilates.
So that's been our look at the Cross 2 and the Cross 2 Mini new colorways.